Paint sprayers can often be used in place of paintbrushes, paint rollers, or spray cans to quickly apply paint or stain to a surface with a consistent finish. Unlike these other tools, paint sprayers use electricity, gas, an air compressor, or battery power to run. There are several different types of sprayers, and it's important to select the right kind for your intended project. The three common types of sprayers include airless, high volume low pressure or HVLP, and pneumatic sprayers. Airless paint sprayers are great for medium to large size projects that require 3 or more gallons of material, such as spraying home exteriors, decks, and unfinished rooms. The HVLP sprayers are great for those new to spraying and small to medium-sized projects less than 3 gallons. These projects include small decks, sheds, small rooms, furniture cabinets, crafts, and decor. They use high-volume, low-pressure technology to atomize materials into fine particles and provide a smooth, professional-quality finish on your projects. Pneumatic or air-assisted sprayers are great for small to medium-sized projects, such as furniture, cabinets, and trim. Each sprayer will offer unique features and benefits. Here are a few important features to consider: adjustable settings, power level, power option, style of sprayer, portability, and cleaning. Sprayers can offer adjustable settings to suit project size, material compatibility, and spraying speed. Flow control determines how much paint you want to come out of the spray nozzle. Pattern control directs the shape of the spray pattern, typically vertical, horizontal, and/or circular. Pump or turbine speed determines how fast the coating is supplied to the spray nozzle or tip. Most sprayers have interchangeable spray tips or nozzles that can be used with different coatings as well as increased productivity. Power level will vary and allow the sprayer to spray thicker or thinner materials at different rates of speed. Paint sprayers can be powered in different ways, including cordless or battery, electric, and gas. There are different styles of sprayers, such as direct feed, pressure feed, or hopper. A direct feed pulls material directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint container. A pressure-fed cup pulls paint from a cup attached to the sprayer. And hopper style has paint poured into the sprayer hopper, which is then pulled through the hose to the gun. Also consider the portability. Depending on your project, you might want the weight of the sprayer on the ground, in your hand, or on wheels. For stationary sprayers, the turbine remains on the ground and is connected to a hose with a spray cup or spray gun. For handheld sprayers, the turbine and sprayer are connected and in your hand. For cart sprayers, the sprayer is on wheels and portable to easily move from job to job. All sprayers will need to be cleaned after use. Some are more complex than others on the amount of parts that need to be cleaned. So what sprayers does Wagner offer? Wagner offers several different sprayer models to suit your project needs. These include the QX series. These HVLP stain sprayers are perfect for applying a fresh coat of stain on small to medium-sized decks, fences, or patio furniture. The Flexio series. These HVLP paint and stain sprayers are great for spraying small to medium-sized decks, furniture, cabinets, sheds, or even interior walls. High Efficiency Airless series. These Control Pro high-efficiency airless sprayers are ideal for tackling large projects with unthinned paint or stain. They cover large areas quickly with up to 55% less overspray. We hope this has been helpful for you when choosing your paint sprayer for the next project. For more information, please visit wagnerspraytech.com.